Hello, in this video I'm showing how I work with a cheap paper and white nights watercolor. Actually, it's tricky because I didn't prepare and didn't test this paper, so it's some kind of experiment. Let's start. When I'm working in the start, all looks good, but then I do some typical mistakes. So the first are wrong color choices. In result, dirty color on the shadow area. To avoid this mistake, I should prepare my color palette before I start working on paper. The second mistake, I damaged the paper by pressing it so much. The wet paper is very delicate and I shouldn't do such a thing. In some reason, the blue color, the ultramarine of White Nights watercolor, is absorbing by paper so fast and I can't move it on paper. Really, I don't know, maybe it's the minus of cheap paper or maybe it's the minus of this pigment, but it was a very bad surprise for me. Actually, this cheap paper costs me all around less than $1, and I think it's not so bad product for its price. So it was very interesting experience for me and I enjoyed this work so much. See you soon, bye bye, sending you all my love.